2020 National Electrical Code, or NEC, mandates that service entrance conductors and other wiring must be protected against physical damage. This protection can be achieved by routing the wires through conduit, raceways, or other approved methods. Considering the situation, the service entrance wires are shielded by a plastic sheath within the wall. The NEC does not explicitly state that service entrance wires must be encased in conduit above the ceiling. If the wires are sufficiently protected from physical harm, they can be run without conduit. It is conceivable that the inspector is interpreting the NEC mandate for protection against physical damage as requiring the wires to be continuously enclosed in conduit. However, this interpretation is not directly supported by the code's wording. Ultimately, the decision of whether the service entrance wires are adequately protected from physical damage rests with the inspector. If there is disagreement with the inspector's decision, an appeal can be made to the local electrical board. There are relevant code sections to consider. NEC Section 230.50, titled Protection Against Physical Damage, states that service entrance conductors and other wiring must be protected against physical damage. When protection against damage is needed, service entrance conductors must be installed in a raceway. NEC Section 300.1, titled General, specifies that wiring methods for branch circuits, feeders, and services must adhere to all applicable provisions of this chapter. Wiring methods must be constructed and installed according to the requirements outlined in the articles and sections listed in Table 300.1. A. Reviewing Table 300.1. A. There are no specific requirements listed for service entrance wires above the ceiling. In summary, the code prioritizes protection against physical damage, but it doesn't automatically demand conduit above the ceiling if other protective measures are in place. The key is whether the existing plastic sheath provides adequate protection as determined by the inspector or, ultimately, the electrical board if an appeal is necessary.